Okay, now let's look at this 2010 paper 1, question 24. Okay, it's on geometrical construction. So you're given 3 points A, B and C. You're asked to construct the perpendicular bisector of BC. So what is perpendicular bisector? Basically, a perpendicular bisector bisects, okay, let's say BC, right? It bisects this line, means it cuts this line into equal halves. So how do we draw a perpendicular bisector? First, get your compass ready. Okay, what you do is, okay, now look at the procedure. It's very simple. Put the pointed end at point C, draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc on the left and on the right of BC. Okay, repeat the same procedure without changing the space between the legs of the protractor. Do the same thing at point B. Okay, then you can see that I need to repeat the same procedure again at point C because I did not cut properly. Okay, so you have 2x there. Okay, so what you do next is very simple. Use your pencil, join these two x together, or these two cross together. Okay, so that is your perpendicular bisector. How do I know this is a perpendicular bisector? If I were to measure, right, you can see that this is about 3.4 cm. The other side is also 3.4. You see that? So that means at this point is the midpoint of BC really. So this is the perpendicular bisector. Okay, next question asks you to draw the angle the bisector of angle ABC. ABC. So we need to bisect this angle. Angle bisector means you need to cut the angle into equal halves. Okay, so what you do is put your pointed end at the angle that you want to bisect, which is point B. Okay, alright, draw an arc here. And then, sorry, let me repeat again. Okay, let me repeat again. Okay, put your pointed end at point B, cut the line AB and BC at 2 points. Okay, then you cut at 2 points, right? Repeat the same thing at this point. Draw an arc. Repeat here again. Draw an arc again. You will only have one x, one cross. Okay, what you do, I say, okay, do again. Okay, at point B, draw arc, cut the two lines, and then at the point where it cut, okay, at this point, draw an arc. Okay, so you only have one cross. What you do next is join B to this cross. Join the point B to this cross. So this is your angle bisector. Okay, right. Now the next question says these two bisector meets at P. Complete the statement below. The point P is equidistant from the lines. Okay, you can see that it mentioned lines, right? So this is the point P. It is equidistant from the lines. You can see that this point, right, it will be equal distance from these two lines AB and BC. That's the property of an angle bisector. Alright, any point on the angle bisector is equidistant from the two lines. Okay, so in this case it's AB and BC. Alright, and equidistant from the points. Okay, so you can see that you have drawn a perpendicular bisector, right? Any point on the perpendicular bisector will be equidistant from B and C. Okay, so that means this point P is equidistant from B and C. Okay, right, let's look at the last question. The point D is such that angle BCD is 130 degrees and AD is 7.5. Find the two possible positions of D and label them D1 and D2. Okay, so you're given that BCD is 130 degrees. So where is BCD? Okay, so this point D, where is it? So we are told that BCD is 130 degrees. So what you do is, right, BCD, so 130, you take your protractor, okay, measure 130 degree. So 0, 90, 130 is about here. Okay, so that means, alright, let's say I draw a line first. This is 130 degree. Okay, but we still do not know where is our point D. Why you do know that point D is 7.5 cm. AD is 7.5. Okay, so what you do is, AD is 7.5, you take out your compass, measure 7.5 cm. 7.5 cm. Okay, 7.5 cm. What you do is, put the pointer end at point A. You're going to draw an arc because all these arc will be 7.5 cm away from A. So you start to cut. Okay, you see that you cut here, and then you will cut here again. So these 2 points are 7.5 cm from A. That means this is D1, D2. Okay, if you use a ruler to measure, right, you will see that it is indeed 7.5 cm from A. Okay, that's how you get the two points D1 and D2. Okay, and it's 130 degrees. So let me repeat again. You need to draw this line first. Okay, this line is 130 degrees, and then use your ruler, measure the 7.5 cm, and then draw out the 2 arcs to cut at 2 points. Okay, so basically that's it.